Thank you very much. और इससे पहले कि मैं भूल जाऊं, a huge round of applause for these guys because without them, this is not possible. Sure, sure. तो और जोर से सब लोग please for them. Very good job, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it nice and loud.
Sure, sure,
For
definitely.
the orchestra. Come on, let's hear it. हम बहुत कम लोग हैं यहाँ ऑडिटोरियम में, लेकिन हमारी गूंज ऐसी होनी चाहिए जितने जैसे हजारों लोग तालियां बजा रहे हैं. Come on, let's hear it for all our musicians.
साहब लाइफ में पहली बार
Awesome.
डांस करे, फोटो उतारना पड़ता है, एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर रह के भी डांस करे.
And also, I would like to
What an
thank the sound
entertainer.
guy. The sound guy. Sorry for talking over you. Sorry. The sound guy, Ravi Garu, right? And Ram Sita Garu ikkada chooskunnanduku anta, and Basha Garu for this event, wonderful event. Thank you very much, everybody. If I have forgotten anybody, I thank them again and again. Thank you. I think I'll give the snaps just after, just getting a little.
We'd like to thank Karunya and the entire orchestra, and we also want to have them back on stage. If you're listening to my voice, Karunya and the entire orchestra, we need to have you back up on stage to give away the bouquet as well as the mementos.
Hello. Mr. Rajesh Kakkad from Haryana. He is executive engineer. He wants to produce a surprise in front of you. You please wait and clap for him.
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be singing Jugnis, Punjabi Jugnis. O Jugni Javadi Karnal, Jugni Javadi. O Jugni Javadi Karnal, Akhi Anak Hath Ramal, Tanis Khede Mundiya Naal. Vir mere hai Jugni. ਭਾਈ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੈ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਚਾਂਦੀ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਢੋਰ ਪਛਾਣਾ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਜਾ ਵੜੀ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਮੇਮਾ ਮਰ ਗਈਆਂ ਠੰਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਗੋਰੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਮਸਤ ਕਲੰਦਰ ਵੀਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੈ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਪਿੱਤਲ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖੀ ਸ਼ਹਿਰੋਂ ਨਿਕਲਦੀ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਸਕੂਲੇ ਪੜਦੀ ਐ ਮੇਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਸਕੂਲੇ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਸਕੂਲੇ ਪੜਦੀ ਐ ਨਾਲ ਦੋ ਗੁੱਤਾਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਐ ਰਾਤੀ ਡੈਡੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਨਾਲ ਲੜਦੀ ਐ ਵੀਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੈ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਚਾਂਦੀ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਠੋਰ ਪਛਾਣਾ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਦੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਜਾਵੜੀ ਕਰਨਾਲ ਅੱਖੀ ਐਨਕ ਹੱਥ ਰਮਾਲ ਟੈਨਿਸ ਖੇਡੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਵੀਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੈ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਪਿੱਤਲ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖੀ ਸ਼ਹਿਰੋਂ ਨਿਕਲਦੀ ਉਹ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਜਾਵੜੀ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਮੇਮਾ ਮਰ ਗਈਆਂ ਠੰਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਗੋਰੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਮਸਤ ਕਲੰਦਰ ਵੀਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੈ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਪਿੱਤਲ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖੀ ਸ਼ਹਿਰੋਂ ਨਿਕਲਦੀ
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and a huge round of applause for the executive engineer from Haryana. Thank you for enjoying yourself so much. It's that time of the evening when we'd like to felicitate Karunya and the entire orchestra for such an amazing, amazing performance. So I'm going to request Mr. P. Satish, SE R&B, to please come up on stage and give away a bouquet. Give away a bouquet to Karunya. Karunya, if we can have you on stage. You know, वो कहते हैं ना कि life is not about how many moments you live. It's all about what are the moments that take your breath away. And that's exactly what we experienced here. My God, this past 2 hours has been an absolutely rocking evening, rocking musical evening. taken our breath away for sure. So we really need to thank Karunya, Kalpana, and the entire orchestra, the Sound of Melodies, for having given us such an amazing, amazing evening. I'm sure you're going to remember this. काफी देर तक आपको ये याद रहेगी ये शाम, है ना? All right, so once again, I'm just going to request. I'd also like to request Mr. Rakesh Chari, on behalf of the entire orchestra, to please come up on stage and, as a token of our love, gratitude, and appreciation, collect a bouquet from Mr. D. Lakshmanachari, EE R&B retired. Sir. So we, no, I don't have the names. VLK Chari on tablist. Vikram Chari on pad. Sagar Chari on drums. Benji Chari on bass guitar. The Chari, these are the Chari brothers, is it? Prakash Chari on keyboard. Ladies and gentlemen, the entire orchestra. And giving them the bouquet is Mr. Lakshmanachari, EE R&B retired. My God, this is such an amazing time. And I'm going to request Mr. P. Satish, SE R&B, to please give away the bouquet to Karunya. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, let's hear it for Karunya and the entire orchestra. They were so amazing. Okay, and now I'd like to request Srimati and Shri K. Bhikshapati, Engineer-in-Chief R&B, to please come up on stage and give away mementos. That's a token of our love, our appreciation, our gratitude. So I'd like to request Srimati and Shri Bhikshapati to please come up on stage and give away the mementos to Karunya and the entire orchestra, and to, of course, Rakesh Chari on behalf of the entire Chari orchestra. Thank you for your energy. Thank you for, infusing this evening with... Oh, you're called the All-in-7 Band. Wow, so this orchestra is called the All-in-7 Band, ladies and gentlemen. And what a fabulous job they've done. What a fabulous job. Thank you. And Srimati Bhikshapati, please, may I request you to give away the memento to Mr. Rakesh Chari on behalf of both of you, on behalf of the entire band. All-in-7. Wow, All-in-7 Band. Thank you once again. Thank you once again, and what a pleasure it's been to perform on the same stage as you people. Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
We have to talk about the anchor who inspired us very much and who organized the total program and made a grand success. Thank you very much, Pallavi. Thank you very much.
All right. So about tomorrow, we're gonna start. Yes, we're gonna start yoga classes in hall number 1 at 7 a.m. That's going to happen on the 16th, 17th, as well as the 18th. So please, whoever's interested, please do join us. Also spread the word. I'm sure you know a lot of other people who are not present in the room right now. Tomorrow, all the delegates are required to come to hall number 2 by 9:45 a.m. for the inaugural session, ladies and gentlemen, for which the Chief Secretary of Telangana State, Shri Pradeep Chandra, will be our chief guest. So please make yourselves available. I'm your host Pallavi Walia Raj, and आज जाते जाते मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं कहूँगी, लेकिन बस इतना कहना चाहूँगी, कुछ पंक्तियाँ हैं, कुछ शब्द हैं जो मैं आपके साथ छोड़ना चाहूँगी। बंदे कलीम जिसके पर्वत जहाँ की सेना, नू नबी का आकर ठहरा जहां सफीना, रफत की जिस जमी की बामे फलक का जीना, जन्नत की जिंदगी है जिसकी फजा में जीना, मेरा वतन वही है, मेरा भारत महान. So well, thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening and drive home safe. Goodbye. God bless.